Jessica's wheelchair started to behave oddly. It was quite hard to use the control to lower the back of the wheelchair into a reclined position, which we needed to do when she was hoisted into her chair to get her in the best position, and also put it back up again. Also going up and down curves and over small thresholds, it seemed hard to do these too. Then one day we noticed the handles to her chair was literally pushing down without you putting any pressure on them. When she was clamped in the van, they seemed to be a lot more bounce than usual in her wheelchair if the road was uneven, or if you went over a speed bump, for example. We arranged for the service company to come out and check it over. As soon as they arrived, they could tell straight away what was wrong. The rams had failed and were not supporting the chair properly. We later found out one had failed completely and the other was not working normally either. They went away and booked a job for the rams to be replaced. They said these were kept in stock and they would probably come back out the following week. It was a Thursday by this time. After 3 weeks and countless phone calls from my mum and complaining to our own wheelchair service, not the service company as she had already done this, they finally came out and replaced the rams. Jess had her wheels back again in proper working order.